If you find yourself frequently building Excel reports by dumping data from Aucerna Execute to Excel and then making a consistent set of finicky modifications to that data, whether it be format changes, creating pivot tables, adding charts, etc., then this feature and video is for you. Now Aucerna Execute has an Excel template report, which allows users to create their Excel templates with all of their modifications, such as capital chart here for our projects, and then allows an administrator to save that into a special dedicated folder so that it can be used over and over again as that data evolves. So users can simply select the saved report from the browse screen, say export, and Aucerna Execute will handle all of the movement of the data into that template and do all of the changes that template requires. Open up our project capital chart here, and we're now looking at the data as it existed in that view, pushed across into one of our pivot charts. It's a pretty simple mechanism, but powerful and incredibly handy.